Guys, welcome back to another video. And if you're new here, guys, on this channel we do mostly healthy stuff, juices, sometimes cooking. I haven't done cooking in a long while, but guys, today I am going to be making a drink, and we're gonna include string beans. So because I'm using the juicer, I'm not gonna be cutting off these of the string bean. It doesn't make any sense to cut them off because it's just gonna go through. And I have some apples here. I'm gonna wash them. Let me make sure you can see. Yeah, I'm gonna wash them. And guys, I have some celery in some water. So I just take it out. I'm not going to use the leafy part because that part is dry, and a piece of ginger. So guys, I'm going to wash everything and come back to you guys. So guys, I am going to just cut these off and then wash them, because yeah, I don't want to wash them long. And then I'm going to wash my board. So we're gonna take these middle bits. Wow, a lot of flaws in there. Let's just cut this off right here, and we can still use this piece here. And fix the camera. So we're gonna just this part off, take out this leafy part, although we can use it, but as I said before, I'm not using them today because I had it in some water and they are a bit drying up at the top. So you don't want to use something dead to make your juice. You want something good. Guys, I am going to wash my pieces of celery and come right back. Guys, now that everything is washed, I'm gonna core my apples. And these are ripe and nice. And they look juicy, guys. Very juicy. And guys, if you have string bean, you should try and incorporate the string bean in juice. It helps, guys. It goes in your juicing, does a lot for the body. It goes in your bloodstream and work faster. I mean, I eat fruits, but I do a lot of juicing also. That's why when I'm buying fruits, I buy enough so that I can make juice and I can eat. So here we are using the apple core. Yep. So we have one more apple to go, and then we are gonna start our juicing. So guys, this is it. We're gonna start our juicing. I'm gonna clean up and come back to you all. So guys, here we have everything that we're gonna use in our juice today, and I've cut up some ginger. I have it in another small bowl. That's the ginger, guys. I'm gonna use it a little bit. So we are going to start our juicing. We're gonna turn on our juicer, and of course today I'm using my Cuvin Rebel 830. So let's turn on the juicer. Well guys, here we have our juice entering into the mixing bowl, and as you know, the main ingredients today is string bean. So string bean is recommended for arthritis. Green beans are a nutritious vegetable rich in minerals and can support our overall health. It helps to combat inflammation associated with arthritis, as I said before. However, this juice offers a lot of benefit, guys, a whole lot. So I want you to Google it. It has vitamin K, manganese, and much more. It is also good for bone health. So let's keep putting our fruits in. I'm gonna put some ginger in, and we are gonna put some string bean in. And guys, the fiber in this juice helps to keep your digestive system running smoothly. And string bean reduce depression symptoms. So guys, Google it. Google everything, or go on health benefits of green juice, and you will see all that I'm saying. Green beans are high in vitamin K, and they also contain a decent amount of calcium. These nutrients are very good and help with managing healthy, strong bones. So let's keep going, guys. The mixing bowl is almost full, so we're gonna put a few more celery in, and then we are almost at the time where we can let our juice out. And guys, this juice also strengthens the immune system, and it is low in calories. The mixing bowl is now full, and you know what time it is. Guys, we are going to let out our first batch of juice. Wow, look at that. Guys, we're gonna go again. We're gonna put in some string beans. So guys, let's start all over again with the same process. We're gonna put some string beans in, and guys, string beans, you get zinc from it, you get potassium from it, niacin, vitamin C and A. So let's pop an apple in. An apple a day keep the doctor away. And guys, if you take blood thinners such as warfarin. Speak to your doctor before adding green beans to your diet. The vitamin K may interfere with your medication. So guys, check with your doctor before you start using your green beans. And guys, celery helps to lower blood pressure, and it helps with so much things, guys. It has vitamin A, C, K, potassium, calcium. So this juice is one powerful juice for the body. So guys, I don't wait until I'm sick. I make juice because of my age and try to keep my body clean. When you have an alkaline body, guys, you cannot have cancers and those kind of disease. So guys, our mixing bowl is almost full. So guys, I'm gonna let out the second batch of juice. Look at that, guys. Wow, wow, wow. And I am gonna turn on the. So guys, the juicer is on, and it's pumping out the rest of juice that was in the mixing bowl. So guys, creamy. We are going to serve our drink. This is it, guys. Let's soak this one full. Oh, thank goodness for that. So guys, subscribe to the channel for more. See you in the next video, guys. I'm looking for 2 straws. Oh, have a lovely weekend. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.